The challenge here is making the tortilla cups to hold the fillings. They're available in markets in some areas, but with a little practice, you can make your own. Here's what you'll need for the dish. Make 4 1-inch cuts evenly spaced around the edge of each tortilla. Heat 3 to 4 inches of oil in a deep pan for frying. Drop a tortilla into the oil and hold it submerged with a ladle or similar flat-bottomed tool. The tortilla will form into a cup as it fries. This happens very quickly, so be ready to remove the cup from the oil before it gets too brown. Drain the cups on paper towels. To assemble the tostadas, fill each cup with a spoonful of chili con carne and a spoonful of beans. Top with chopped tomato, shredded lettuce, and grated cheese. And enjoy!